So we've done some looking at the vulnerabilities in Metasploit. Now I want to do a little bit of searching on them. So one thing I can actually do here is I could just do a little bit of searching within the internet and do a little bit of Google searching to figure out what some of these vulnerabilities actually are. So MS08067, for example, let's just take a look at that one. Now I'm going to pop open Firefox here, and we can just take a look at the vulnerability MS08067. So if I do MS08-067, I can see the security bulletin on it, so we could take a look at that, and we could see that Microsoft actually views this as a critical vulnerability. And here's all of the systems that actually are vulnerable to it. So we've got Windows 2000 with Service Pack 4, Windows XP with Service Pack 2 and 3. So it looks like this is a pretty wide-ranging vulnerability. Maybe something that we want to take a little bit closer of a look at. So I've got it here, and we've shown it as a vulnerability on the system 42.17. So let's see if we've actually got a Metasploit vulnerability for it. So what I want to do is search MS08-067, and Metasploit will search all of its known vulnerabilities and the things that it's actually got exploits for and see whether it has an exploit for that particular vulnerability. So in this case, we actually have an exploit. So now what we can do is we can actually go use this exploit and exploit the target host with it. And we'll run the exploit coming up next.